Hey guys! Alright, so I got 2 treats from NP Trust Treats, and I wanted to show them off to you all. So here's my first one. It says, "Hello gorgeous, I have arrived." Alright, so I'm not sure what's in here. They are just like surprises. So I wanted to be surprised on camera with you guys. So here we go. I think this may be a scarf from the subscription box from NP Trust Treats, which is like super nice. Oh. It says, "Pretty things come in small packages." Super cute. Alright, let's see what we have here. Oh, it says, "Stephanie, hey babe, thanks for being a subscriber." Thanks for joining the NP Trust Trees Scarf Club. Love, Alicia, who is the owner and the one who makes all your beautiful treats. I'm so excited. I'm wearing this tonight. All right. And she sends it with this. It's a nice little like card that has a tutorial on it on how to tie your scarves up. How nice is that? But look. Boop, boop. And it says, "Hand wash only, hang to dry." So definitely do right by your NP Trust Treats, and they'll do right by you. Because if you don't, oh, look at that. Ha! She knows me so well. Like, I love beautiful stuff like this. I love beautiful colors. I like colorful, multicolored, all that stuff. So like, this is how I usually do mine. But look at how pretty that is. That blue is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Thank you. It's so pretty. Hey, Mom. Yes, I absolutely love it. And then it has a little tag. NP Trust Treats. That's how you know you're getting NP Trust Treats stuff. Because she puts that beautiful little tag on it. And it's so soft. Here, let me. Oh, and it smells good. I love it. So, I'm going to pineapple my hair with this tonight. And probably wear it like that for all of tomorrow because my daughter loves to pull my hair. And so I have found that keeping it in a scarf is the safest way for me not to lose any locks. Alright, so I got something else too. Let's see what's inside. Yes, NP Trust Treats. Oh, it's a shower bonnet made just for me. And so, I had a little note from her in that one as well. And guys, when I tell you I love this pattern, I love this pattern. Oh! Alright, let me see if I can open this without having to crack open the scissors. I got it. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go. Do, 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 do. Thanks, Mom. Yeah, I got my nails done. Boop, boop. Alright, and it also comes with a care card, which now my nails are making it impossible for me to grab out. So it tells you how to take care of your NP Trust Treats. Look at how beautiful all the things that come with your treats. Everything is beautiful. So like the notes, beautiful. The tag that comes on the outside. It's so nice. It's so professional. It's so beautiful. It's like an entire experience. I say that all the time, but I'm so serious. And it's funny because I just washed a round of, I have so many scarves, bonnets, and pillowcases that when I wash my hair, everything is new. I get a new scarf, a new bonnet, and a new pillowcase. Just so that everything is fresh, like my hair is fresh. And you know, you should wash your NP Trust Treats often. Oh, so look, this is the inside. So this is the part that touches your hair. So pretty. But this is the outside. This is the part that keeps all the water out. And when I tell you, I wear my shower cap all the time. I have 3 of them. One I let my son use because he has long hair. And then I have two that are my favorites, and they're like super pink like this. There's a dinosaur one, and then there's another one with like a big pink flower on the inside. That's the one I'm using currently. So with my shower bonnets, because I always wear a scarf and a bonnet before I put on my shower bonnet, because, you know, better safe than sorry, I don't wash them as often, but I wash them probably every 2 cycles. So like every 2 times I wash my hair, I'll wash my shower bonnet. Because why not? When you have like a couple of cute ones, you can just keep going through the rotation. But yeah, so it's pink on the outside, and so you just put all of your hair in it. Like, look at how big this bonnet is. It's perfect. I love it. Look, it fits all of your hair comfortably. Like, look. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's no hair sticking out. It's really nice. It's really big. It has all of my hair in it, and it keeps my hair from getting wet. I wear my shower bonnet whenever I come into contact with water. So, like, not outside, like, not in the rain, but, like, in the house, if I'm washing the tub out, I'm going to keep my hair safe. I'm putting my shower bonnet on. Of course, when I take a shower, if I'm bathing my children and they like to splash, yes, I am putting my shower bonnet on, and it keeps my hair safe every time. I love it. And I just like a regular shower bonnet, I just hang it to dry, and it dries off for the next time that I need it. Oof. But yeah, so if you don't have one yet, get one. The thing that people always, you know, don't realize is that the satin on the inside really makes a difference for your hair. So it keeps all the moisture that I want in my hair. So, you know, I use Main Crush, and I use everything to put moisture in my hair because my hair has a hard time keeping and holding moisture. And actually even just getting the moisture in there, it's a struggle. So in order to keep the moisture in, I've been using these satin products, and when I tell you they work wonders, they work wonders. But also, the satin pillowcase has really helped with my face. So, like, I guess the cotton, of course it wasn't that good for my hair, and I'm a wild sleeper. So, when my scarf, like, if my scarf was coming off, because sometimes, you know, I'm wild, my cotton pillowcase would mess my hair up, and I mean, like, really ruin it to the point where I'm bunning it until wash day, and I hate doing that. I love wearing my twist outs, and so when I started using the satin scarf, the satin bonnet, and the satin pillowcase, my hair was always intact. It's like you go to sleep pretty, you wake up pretty because your hair stayed the way you wanted it to all night long. But also my face, like, because I'm washing my pillowcase, you know, often, then my hair, like the oils and all that stuff, none of it is really getting into my, like, face. It's just keeping my face clean. I don't know how to describe it. But my face has cleared up a lot since I've been using the satin pillowcase. I don't know what the science is behind it, but I love it. It keeps my hair moisturized. I cannot get enough of MP Treasuries. So if you haven't tried a shower bonnet from her yet, it is big. It is beautiful. Get one. If you haven't tried one of her scarves yet, there are so many different patterns to choose from. And I mean, literally this year, I bought all the women in my lives for Mother's Day and, you know, for other things. I bought them MP Trust Treats scarves, bonnets, just to show, you know, that I really, really appreciate them. But also so they can get a taste of this high quality product. And, you know, it's nice to show people, hey, here's this, try it. I'm giving it to you for free. If you like it, go buy some. And, you know, they always come back to it because it is really, this stuff is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I love the patterns. I love the fabric. Everything's really soft. Everything smells good. You can tell MP Trust Treats really puts her heart into this stuff because the quality is really high. I really like it. Thank you, MP Trust Treats, for my new treats. I am going to be on the website very, very soon to get some more and load up for Christmas. All right, bye, guys.